Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are setting this extra large Transit, the one with the extra large frit at the top, with our WRD PRO6 setting tool. We haven't had one of these in a while, so this is my opportunity to prove to you all that this tool, despite its smaller cup, can handle the weight of this glass. So we are going to put some glue on this and get it set. And we are shooting our glue here with our Maritool Power Push 6000. Blow out a little bit of the end there and put some glue on glass. Make sure you are vertical with your V-bead here. And we are going to carry this distance all the way around from where you come off of that retainer. Wrap your corner here. Wrap your other corner. Maintain that 3/8 of an inch or so gap between the edge. And when you come around this corner, you should hit right at the retainer. Close your bead off, and with as tall as these guys are, it is a lot harder to get your tape up top. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our tape within reach here, just on the sides. And since we are using a heavier windshield, we're going to go with 2 pieces of tape on these sides here. Some over here as well. Angle is dependent on your preference. I just know that you do not want to go straight out because it's just going to allow it to drag down. So give ourselves a little flap there. And then once you get it set, if you want, you can move the tape back to the top. But these tall ones, I usually like to leave it on the sides, especially for the owner as well. That way they don't have to climb up on the tires to get their tape off. Put our hook in place. Double check all of our cups. And I know we just did this one, but we are going to check it again. And you can see I've got this a little bit up, kind of tilted up, so when the weight of the windshield sits on here and pulls that down, it doesn't affect our set all that much. So let's set a big piece of glass. I'm going to bring this up first, then we'll grab our cups since this is quite the wingspan. Hang that. Grab your bottom cup on this side. Set your top up there. Drop this down in place. And we're going to jump up here real quick and just check our gap at the top. Looks good. Go ahead and set that piece of tape there. And our second piece. Switch sides as per normal. Pop that loose. And then we're going to drag this guy over a little bit. Like so. Check our top gap again. Looks good. Put our tape on, and we'll check our side to side. Looks good. And you are set and ready to reassemble. And that is setting the Ford Transit with the extra large frit at the top. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.